Hi, it's me, Etienne, your teacher rockstar friend. I am excited to be the host of the upcoming Rock Your Leadership Conference powered by School Rubric. After 1.5 years of crazy COVID times, what is next school year gonna look like? What will leadership look like moving forward?
Leadership.
Maybe you should start listening to my leadership ideas once in a while.
Oh, okay. Well, that's why I think they chose the conference theme, What Now?
So what now?
What now?
Exactly. You don't want to miss this. 4 amazing speakers, including Dr. Darren Peppard, P. Sloan Joseph, Dr. Matt X. Joseph, and Charles Williams. Plus, every attendee, whether you attend live or take advantage of the recorded version, will get over $250 in leadership resources that allow your staff to pack their teacher toolboxes and rock it.
We have to rock it a bit.
Rocket, brother.
And if that wasn't enough, the conference Kahoot that they're bringing me in for at the end is full of prizes that can help double your leadership loot. So what are you going to do?
What are you going to do?
What are you going to do then?
Join School Rubric on July 21st for the Rock Your Leadership Conference. Click the link that you find with this video and use the promo code LEAD to join the conference for only $49. Start off next school year gifting your staff and colleagues with resources ready to re-energize teachers, renew student engagement, and crush the COVID learning gaps. All right, leadership rock stars, I'll see you on July 21st.